mahabol lang po on other issue. Related po sa typhoon, may we know kung bakit po na-approve yung request ni Secretary John Vic Remulla na siya na yung mag-announce ng suspension of work and classes. Ano po yung wisdom dun sa DILG?
So that dissemination of information is better. As it's very simple. Because if there's ganun yan kasi halimbawa ikaw it affects you. Where do you go? Which website do you consult? Where do you so pagka ganito basta sinabi na the SILG will make the announcement, and that is what's the wala nang fake news, wala na, yun na yung katotohanan, yun na yung totoo. So it's just simple, it's just to make things clearer, because sometimes nagkakaproblema because hindi naman malicious, misinformed lang. Tapos pinopost, sinusundan ngayon ng tao, mali naman pala. So we're just trying to improve that system. On the
Sir, Secretary Remulla has been drawing flack for how he actually tweets or posts his statement. In the words of netizens, it's too informal. Medyo pa-joke po kasi yung sabi niya. Have you advised this on his matter? What do you make out of these criticisms? And go ahead, sir.
People criticize me for the way I speak. That's the way I speak. That's the way he speaks. As long as he gets the message across, that's what it's for. That's what all of these postings are for. It gets some information across, and as long as he achieves that, then he manages to do what he sets out to do. I am not a. I'm not exactly a judge of how do you say literary style. I don't know how you want to put it. So that's really, I would consider that out of my purview.